Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up scroll-based storytelling with Framer, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up scroll-based storytelling with Framer, start by visiting the Framer website and creating an account. Once logged in, choose a new project from the dashboard. Select a blank canvas template for a clean slate. Begin by adding a scroll component to your canvas. Drag the scroll frame onto your project area. Resize the scroll frame to fit your desired dimensions. Next, add content elements inside the scroll frame. This can include images, text blocks, or videos that enhance your storytelling. For each content element, ensure they are vertically aligned to create a seamless scroll effect. Use the Layout panel to adjust spacing and positioning. Now, select the scroll frame and navigate to the Properties panel. Set the scroll direction to vertical for a traditional storytelling experience. To create engaging interactions, add animations to your content elements. Select an element, and then click on the Animate button. Choose an entrance animation that aligns with your storytelling theme. Adjust the duration and delay to create a natural flow. Repeat this process for each content element in the scroll frame. Next, preview your project by clicking the play button in the upper right corner. Test the scroll behavior to ensure a smooth transition between elements. If adjustments are needed, go back to the canvas and tweak your content or animations. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save your project. Consider sharing a prototype link to gather feedback from peers. Finalize any remaining details, such as typography and color schemes. Now your scroll-based storytelling is ready to impress your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.